can't go all power. You have to be able to get the right targets first.
Ayan, no?
Kahit hindi ganun kalakas.
Oo.
Basta nasa tamang spot.
Basang-basa siya di ba? Romero's, oh, what a set to the other side. Cesc Molina going all guns here.
There's a tendency for you
I
to
agree.
overthink
Yeah.
everything.
Why are we like this? You don't know. Why? And a regalo is pounced upon. It's 3-0. In the meantime, the set by Cayuna. It is in play. One-handed set. Punched high. One of the few long rallies we've had. Nabuhay pa oh. Ano, buti na alala ni MJ third ball na. But Tubo is just wait for the error of the other side, di ba? Eto, pinush up. Tapos ang sipag ng Farm Fresh today, keeping the ball in play, and this is now 5-0. Here's Romero. Comfortable na rin si Louie pag pinapalitan siya ni Iris. Ano? Dati nung una parang may since they scored first point of next leg. Second point of next leg. Tino must be saying, wow, my clone. In the meantime, Negros Occidental. Same place where basketball player James Yap came from. That's jammed. Elevated. Tubo connects in the corner.
This one is really troublesome for next leg.
No?
Kasi mag-commit ka lang saglit sa middle blocker at maiba to ng mabilis ni Louie Romero.
MJ Phillips serving. Tubo, unstoppable. She scored 3 quick points when she was inserted in the second set.
Kung siya pumupunta sa left side niya, hindi siya forced to go to the left side. And that's the biggest difference for next leg kasi they're forced kasi hindi naaabot yung sets to the bell. Just like that, out of system play, Rafaela Pablo makes it work, finding that.
DJ Lauro Carino uncorks their serve. The set, the cut, the catch. And that'll work down the line with Tubo blasting away.
Tempiatura.
11-6. Cheng. That's a wallop.
Like it.
Yep.
Yeah. As long as you get it at the highest.
Kasi nagdalawang isip ka 11-7 po ang ating bilang. Tinulak. Tinaas. Tinapik. Binaon. Down the line.
Open up a lot of possibilities for the attacker on the other side.
Sabi ng Mida, layo. Sige na. Ooh. And that's 3 points in a row. That's blocked. All around. Serving play. Back row at work. Punched over. Cheng gets it to go. Stuck at 11-6. 5-0 run by next leg. Rotation going full circle now as Romero serves Cheng. One-handed push. Really made it a set. And Tubo knocked it in 2 straight points by Farm Fresh.
Out of bounds.
Kept very much in play. Romero. That's inside.
It was out, but there was a block touch up front.
Romero's serve. Tinusok. And that'll make it 14-12.
It was a big quick setup for MJ Phillips. Ang layo nung positioning niya sa block.
Tututuro si Tobino.
No whistle.
You play on. Blocked. Kailangan talaga, setter ka rin, no? La Rosa spikes it over. Di ba may allowance tayo sa libero for this tournament.
Iwasan ng Farm Fresh na uminit si MJ Phillips.
Ah.
But right now, dialed in na si Jel Cayuna by giving MJ Phillips a lot of attempts.
Sige, para matapos to, mag-Tricia Tubo na tayo. In the meantime, Molina's serve in play. And you were saying, as Phillips scores anew,
Through her middles.
elevation and conversion. Dikit sa net. Phillips, huli sa ilalim. Romero, tinaas. Winalis to the blocker. In the meantime, Riri Meneses, dikit sa net. No problem.
Best hit.
5-2 count in the aces. Farm Fresh has more. Binalik. Tinaas. Recovered from the back row. Romero sets up Tubo. Not precise. Cayuna. Fernandez knocks it down. Kasi wala pa akong pasalubong. I'm sure meron na yan. Okay. 18-17. 1 point affair in the third. This is inside and we are tied. Tabla sa 18. Anybody's third. When you need a point, Tubino is also there. Lamang ng isa. Ang kupunan ng Farm Fresh, leading 2 sets to love. This one, we're tied. Dug up. Blocked. And in the lead is Nextled.
Slow down the ball sa harapan pa lang, so it's easier for them to transition to their counter-attacks.
And their initiative switch is on. That punches through. Tubino takes a deep breath. Picked up downstairs by De Guzman. Tough angle. It's in play. Elevated by Tolenada. Into the back row!
Yung bola.
Yeah. Kasi pag mataas, lalambot din eh. Di ba? Palo! Nabutasan sila at bawin-bawi.
Wasn't the strongest
Yeah.
of hits.
Gusto na umuwi ng isa. Pero palagay ko, lipat bukas pa yun. That is inside. That brings them to 23. Cruz. And we are done.